Welcome to the Human Resource Management Conference in Canada. Join us where HR professionals across Canada come together to explore the future of workforce management. Whether you're an HR leader or just beginning your career, this conference offers outstanding opportunities for professional growth and networking. Gain valuable knowledge from industry visionaries on diversity, equity, and inclusion topics. Located in the heart of Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, Surrey, Victoria, Ottawa, Yellowknife, Calgary, and Halifax, Canada engages in a city renowned for its diversity and innovation, perfectly complementing our conference environment. With the invitation letter, you can apply for a Canada visa to join our conference. We also offer Notarized invitation letter, Visa Expedite request letter, hotel accommodation booking service. Secure your place today and strengthen your HR initiatives. Register now for the Human Resource Management Conference in Canada.